Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get all kinds of tools and cables that people throw away for free. In every big shopping mall, there are places where these electronics are available. Many of them are still functional, and others need a little repair. As you can see, today I found a drill and a battery. Next, I am going to test the battery, which seems to be fully charged, as you can see on the attached label. In this case, this drill is unfortunately not functional. I will start by unscrewing all the screws to see what the problem is. As soon as I opened it, I noticed that the two plus and minus wires that are connected from the switch to the motor are melted and soldered together, which leads to a short circuit. I will continue by removing the components from the housing and disconnect the chuck from the motor. Next, I will cut the wires from all the connections. I will test the motor by connecting two clamps to the battery and the motor. By doing this, we can see that the motor is working. I will solder the new wires to the switch, keeping both the length and the color of the wires, and taking into account the use a slightly thicker cable so that it doesn't melt again. Then I will connect the other end of the wires to the plus and minus of the motor, respecting the colors of the wires. Next, I will test the connection between the switch and the motor using the battery, and it works without problems. I will connect the chuck to the motor and assemble all the components respecting the position and order of each one. Finally, I will tighten all the screws, and before inserting the battery, I will test if the switch works and it was not blocked during assembly. Now I will use a Phillips bit and test if the drill is working within parameters. Thank you for staying until the end. It helps me a lot if you give a like, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.